Number three, solve the multiplication. Number A, 8 times 5 times 2. So we have to segregate it this one. It means 8 times 5 is a 40, then times 2. 2 times 4 is a 8 and 0. Now 24 times 3. 24 times 3. 3 times 4 is a 12, carry 1. 3 times 2 is a 6 plus 1, 7. So here is 72. Then 5 times 6. 5 times 6. 5 times 6 is a 30. Here is a 3, carry. 6 times 5 is a 30 plus 3. It means 33. So here is a 330. Next, 7 times 4 is a 28. Then times 3. 28 times 3. This one we can write here is a 28 times 3. So 3 times 8 is a 24. So we should use 4, carry 2. 3 times 2, 6, and 2, it's a 8. It means 84. We need to change some color, otherwise it's a mashup. 18 times 5. 18 times 5. So 5 times 8 is a 40. So here is a 0, carry 4. 5 times 1, 5, plus 4, 90. So you can use 90. Right? Next, we can use, here is a 72 times 2. So 2 times 2 is a 4. And 2 times 7 is a 14. Number G, 6 times 3 times 4. So 6 times 3 is 18 times 4. So 18 times 4, we can write 8 times 4 is a 32. 2, carry 3. 4 times 1, 4 and 3, it's a 7. It means 72. 39 times 4. 39 times 4. 9 times 4 is a 36. 6, carry 3. 4 times 3, 12, plus 3, it's a 15. So 156. 81 times 3. So 3 times 1 is a 3. And 8 times 3 is a 24. 9 times 2 times 5. So we can do like 9 times 5 times 2 is a 10. And finally it's a 90. 5 times 6 times 2. 5 times 6 is a 30. Times 2, it means 60. 27 times 3. So it will be 27 times 3. 7 times 3 is a 21. Carry 2. 3 times 2 is a 6 times 6 plus 2, 8. It means 81. 44 times 5. So here is a 44 times 5. 4 times 5, 20. 0, carry 2. 4 times 4. 5 times 4, 20, plus 2. 2 to 0. Here is a 2 to 0. Next, 8 times 2 times 4. 8 times 2 is a 16 times 4. So 16 times 4, we can write 6 times 4 is a 24. So 4, carry 2. 4 times 1, 4, plus 2, 6. So here is a 64. And next, 63 times 2. 2 times 3 is a 6. And 2 times 6 is a 12. So multiplication, question 3, done. There are 36 cookies. 4 cookies fit into one bag. How many bags are needed? So this one, very simple. One bag can fit 4 cookies. And how many bag need to use 36 cookies? So it will be 36 divide 4. It means 9. So 9 bag needed, right? Next, Next we can write like there are 53 pencil, 6 pencil fit into one case. How many cases are needed? So this one, how can we write? First we have to think, first we have to choose a color, right? Color pencil. Starting out, sorry for this. 53 pencil, 6 pencil fit one case. So one case, 6 pencil, it means we can write 53 divide 6. So we can use a rough sheet. We can here 53 divide 6. So 8 times 6 is a 48. We cannot use 9 because 9 times 6, 9 times 6 equals to 54. So which is less than, greater than 53, right? So we cannot use 8, we cannot use 9, we should use 8. So here is a 5. So our answer is 8, remainder 5. Okay, so how many cases are needed? Need 8 cases. There are 27 orange, 5 orange fit into one basket. How many baskets are there needed? So this one we can write like 27 divide 5. So we should use rough 27 divide 5. It means 5 times 5 is a 25. So one subtraction from 27, it will be 2. So it means 5, remainder 2. So need 5 basket, right? 5 baskets. Number D, there are 68 books, 9 books fit into one box. How many box need? So same thing, 68 divide 9. So in rough 9. So 7 times 9 is a 63 and 8 times 9 is 72. So we should use 7, 63 and remainder 5. So we can write here 7, remainder 5. So need how many box? 7 box. 7 box. There are 91 toys, 10 toys fit into one container. How many containers are needed? So this one, 91 divide 10, it means 91 and divide 10. So this case 9 times 10 is a 90, so remainder 1. So 9 remainder 1. So need 9 container. Okay, very simple. So number 4 done.